Hi, my name is Anderson Okai. Welcome to my team Campus Coordinator API. So this is the render. First of all, I want us to get all students by executing. So we can see that it's empty. So we are going to create a new student. So let's create a new student, and you can see so new student created successfully. So let's go back and check and get all students to see that if you can get the student that we created. So we have it. Let's copy the ID. We need it on our array. So I want us to get student by ID. So let's get student by ID. Okay, so now we have the student that we created. Let's try and delete some of the ID and see if after executing. So we can see error 400, which means we need a complete ID. Let's try and delete some field too in the create student ID and see. So we can see that it's a requirement 400. We need it. Let's update student. So we will need the ID, then the data, the request body for the student. So now let's try and execute it. Yeah, so we are changing it to 2000. So we have changed the date of birth to 2000. Let's execute it to see. So now we can see that students update successfully. Let's get all students to see the update. So we can see that the date of birth have changed. Now let's try and delete some of the ID. Let's copy it first, delete some portion and delete some fields. Yeah, let's execute. So we have error 400. Let's try and delete some more portions, and still error 400. So some field are required. So let's try and delete students. Now we have the student deleted. Let's go and get all students to see if we still have the student data, the database. Now we are going to work on the course. So let's try and get all course. So we can see that it's empty. We have an empty all course database. Let's try and create a new course. So let me copy and paste it here. We are creating a new course, study Ghana study here. So we have the course created successfully. So now we can see that getting all course, we can see study Ghana as a course. Now let's copy the ID and go back to get course. Yeah, let's try see if we will get the error here by deleting some field. So we have error status 400, which means some field are required. And let's get by ID. So we are getting a course by ID, and where we have the course. Let's delete some ID. You can see the error. Let's try and update the course. So let's paste the course. We have the course ready. Let's paste the course and see course update successful. Let's delete part of the ID and some part of the course, and we can see error 400. Some fields are required and they are supposed to be there. So let's come and copy some ID. Yeah, we are copying an ID. Let's go back to delete the course. So we are going to delete the course by ID. Yes, I have to delete this to, yeah, yes. So let's get back to get all course to see if we can still see the course that we deleted. So let's get all course, and it's empty, which means the course have been deleted. So let's get to GitHub. So we can see that there is no sensitive data showing here. We don't have the .env file here. So data are protected. Thank you for watching.